If today's video has found you, you need to hear this manifestation message about your manifestations. And that is that right before your biggest breakthrough, right before it all starts manifesting, oftentimes in life you will find yourself in a place where everything falls apart. And if that's where you are right now, you need to hear today that it's coming together. It's coming together, you are just not able to see it yet. Because right before your biggest breakthrough, everything else that will not serve you in your new life has to leave. That's literally the vacuum law in the universe. Right before, in order to make space for the things that you are now calling in, the things that no longer can exist in your new life, in your dream life, have to leave you. So, if you are at a stage where you feel like things are falling apart and you might be doubting if you have taken a wrong step, if you've made a mistake, if you're on the wrong path, if what you want will ever come to you, the answer is yes. Space is being created right now. Things that are not in alignment with your new vibration are being taken away, and what can fill up this new vibration is on its way to you. Listen, we get so bombarded with the ideas of instant manifestation all over the manifestation content that people feel that the idea of the transition phase, things taking some time to manifest, means that you have done something wrong. I tend to get a idea these days that if it's not instant, then you're doing it wrong. And that's not true at all. That's another thing that you need to hear today, that oftentimes people who talk about instant manifestations are not really telling you the truth. They are not. Or when they do talk about instant manifestation, it is something small for them. Okay? It's something small. It's just a minor tweak. It's not a jump. And I'm not talking about, you manifesting a cup of coffee or a blue color car. That's easy because it doesn't matter to you. You don't care, but there are things that you care about. And yes, sometimes if you put in a lot of mental effort, those things will manifest instantly, but sometimes it can take time. And if it is taking you time, if that's where you are right now, and all of a sudden things have started to fall apart, that's when this video needs to find you. That's when you need to hear that space is being created. Manifestation is instant in the 5D. The 3D takes some time to catch up. So don't give up. If things are not the way you would like to be, if things have taken the turn slightly for the worst, here's what's happening. Via repetition of your affirmations and your visualizations, and listen, all of us can visualize because we do not think in words, we think in pictures. You need to get this in your head right now. We do not think in words, okay? When I say the word car, what comes into your mind? A black screen with the word car, or you actually see the image of a car? All of us visualize and we think in pictures. We do not think in words. Get that out of your mind. It's just that it takes some practice to focus our power of visualization. Currently, if you're not manifesting your dream life, your visualization ability is completely out of focus, but you need to learn how to harness it. So start focusing on visualizing the right thing. But let's get back onto track. Via repetition, with your thoughts being repeated, that's affirming or robotic affirming, and your visuals being repeated, you are now creating a new program in your subconscious mind. Now, what happens is there is an old program in your subconscious mind, and your subconscious mind does not easily uninstall an old program. which is good for you because once you install the new reality, the new program, that reality will not go anywhere as well. That's why you see some people who just turn their life around and they never go back. This is the reason your subconscious will fight for its currently installed program. So, that's exactly what's happening. You are installing a new program, your subconscious has an old program, and it needs to fight for it. It will fight for it, but ultimately give way to the new program. How you can speed this process is very, very important. When your reality is falling apart in your own terms, you stop reacting to it. Because in your subconscious mind, a program only gains strength when you think about it. A thought only gains strength when you think about it. So if you stop thinking about what's happening in your 3D, and I hear this argument, it's so tough, but let me tell you, it's not tough. It's not tough when you are in love with your dream reality. Stop being weak to what you don't want. Why would you give your attention to somebody or something you don't want? Why would you do that? And I know there's so much manifestation content out there, guys, that you guys know that you have to ignore the 3D. A little bit of a wobble here and there is okay. I have videos on that in my channel too. That a single negative thought cannot harm you, but stop being the kind of person who lives in their 3D all throughout the day. That's not helping you. It's not helping your dream. Ignore the 3D. The better job you do at that, the quicker the old program will uninstall. Your attention is your currency. Your focus is your currency. If you want to install a new program, if you want to install your new reality really quickly, then you're going to have to completely ignore the old reality. And the quicker and the faster you do that, and the better job you do at ignoring your old 3D, you will not even realize how it slipped out of your reality and was taken over by the new reality, because that's literally how it happens. So that's what you needed to hear today. I bet most of us are having this doubt whether we are on the right path or not, and you are on the right path. But that's just what you're dealing with when things are falling apart is two things. One, space is being created for the new, but also there's that attention battle. It's like a rage bait. Your 3D is trying to rage bait you. Would you get rage baited? Is the question you need to answer. Don't get rage baited. 3D's got nothing on you, and you will win. You'll always win. Think about it like this: a 3D is trying to troll you, trying to get a reaction out of you. You know how some people are like that, right? And you are stoic. You're like, no, I have a dream reality and I will stick to it until you change. You meaning the 3D. And do that and it will all change. You are on the cusp, by the way. That's why this message has found you. So thank you so much for joining me here today. Subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed yet. By the way, I'm Neha Kumar. And when you do subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so that you never miss out on another video that I post. And like this video, share this video, comment Master Manifester to book personal coaching or to join my 30-day manifestation challenge. Check the description box for all the details, and I will see you again soon. Bye.